No.
Good morning, respected faculty members, Mr. Kanhaiya Tripathi sir, and my dear friends. Today we are gathered here for resume building workshop by industry expert person, Mr. Kanhaiya Tripathi sir.
Sir is an accomplished professional with over 13 years of extensive experience in both industrial and educational sectors. His expertise lies in corporate relations, late equipment, partner management, and business growth. He has successfully managed renowned brands such as Empower Finance, London Metropolitan University, IndusInd Bank, M Square Media, and Innovation Technologies Limited. Currently, he holds a pivotal role as Partnership and Alliance Manager with GUS Global Services Program.
Now I request Taneet ma'am to please present token of respect to sir. Thank you. Now stage is yours, sir.
So, good morning all of you. Please allow 2 minutes time to settle. Okay, then we will start.